I just got to LA and I'm meeting with Arnaud, who is a very talented hair and makeup artist. He's also a stylist, and he helped prepare Iris and many of the other Miss France title holders for Miss Universe and for their national pageants. So I'm meeting with him today. He has been one of my biggest supports all year. From the moment that I was crowned all the way to Miss USA, he's helped me so much with my hair, my makeup, my style, and my confidence. He's just been very encouraging to me. He's a great friend now, and I found out he was coming to the States, so we made sure that we were able to meet up, and we're here today. So I'm gonna go in and learn some more things about hair and makeup. Isn't this beautiful lighting?
That's nice, yeah.
Guys,
Is it?
It's recording.
Oh.
Guys, look at what Arnaud did to me. Isn't this beautiful?
But have a good model.
No, I just feel so sophisticated.
It's
and
French
elegant.
style, a bit messy hairdo up,
I'm gonna
a little
learn.
smoky eyes, and then you're ready to go.
Yes, we're ready for dinner.
Yes.
Au dîner? Is that how I say? How would I say
Yeah,
it?
on va dîner
On va
avec
dîner.
the French team.
Yay!
Yeah.
Focus.
So bad, I don't know what it is, but...
Not at all.
Faites quoi là?
Ben là, on va se préparer, c'est à quelle heure, 7h30?
Ouais, 7h30, ouais.
Ok, ben c'est dans un quart d'heure.
It's a video.
Hey, hello everyone, guess who is here with me? Can't believe it!
This is behind the scenes of learning how to do hair
And makeup.
and makeup. We did makeup first, and now I'm learning how to style my hair for evening gown.
Yeah, you did it yourself, we don't have the extensions, she
Yeah.
all did it herself. So
You
she
give
did...
me way too much credit. He does it, and then I have
No,
to
you
sort
did a
of.
pretty good job, it's yourself.
So this is looking stunning. I love it so much. It looks perfect. I feel like, you know how I'm reminding myself, she was Miss Venezuela, I think 2011, Stephanie Gonçalves. She wore like a blue gown when she
Yeah,
went,
yeah.
oh, what did she wear? But at international,
She's a dentist.
yeah, that one. She like, it reminds me of that hair color that she had and everything. She was a beautiful girl, and her body was amazing too, especially
Her
when
body
she
was
won.
amazing, yeah.
When she won Miss Venezuela. Like it, I love it. I sound like a commercial. Like it, I love it. Oh my gosh, yes, I love it. Look at this, friends. Look at my hair.
You did it yourself?
Well, that's partially true. A lot of assistance.
Yeah.
We're ready for Miss USA. Not with that stance, I wasn't.
That's one of the hairstyles.
We'll be ready. So many more. We're gonna be changing it up. I cannot wait to show you guys all my outfits. This is gonna be fun. We're at Walgreens right now because we didn't have all the makeup that we needed. So
buying the last things.
we're buying. What do I have right now? I needed this. I need this and
These I always carry in my bag. It's the best,
So
one of the
good.
best powders in the world and one of the cheapest.
and I needed
this
to
micellar water is the best.
so I can wash
also.
my face.
Yeah.
So because after you put all this on, you have to take it off. So we're at Walgreens.
Right.
So we're at Walgreens. Yeah,
I'm not
we buy
used to
stuff.
these places.
Is this the first time you've
It's
been
very
to
exotic.
Walgreens? Is this very
No,
exotic?
yeah, it's very exotic. to me.
Exotic. I don't think I've ever heard anybody say Walgreens is exotic. But
There's a lot of things we don't have in Europe.
oh, what do they not have?
Plenty of things like the butter bronzer for physician
Oh,
formula.
the makeup. Okay.
Like this powder.
I was excited. I thought you meant
many
like our
things.
food and things.
Oh yeah. Also.
I'm excited. I was thinking about food. Like that's all I was excited about.
Mm,
This
right.
makeup.